All right, so today we are combining like terms. This is just day one. We're going to review combining like terms, and hopefully you'll be able to identify them and combine them on your own. So what does it mean to combine like terms? What does it mean to combine like terms?
I think that's like when you add when you like incorporate the exponent to like the number.
Yeah, so you need to add the number that's leading it. So whatever's in front of the x, whatever's in front of the y, those are called leading coefficients. You're going to combine those as long as the variable and the exponent match up. Okay? So this is when we add the leading coefficients to one another if, let me rewrite that one, the variable and exponent match. My writing will get better. It's just been on vacation all summer. Okay. Add the leading coefficient. Yeah, we're able to read the directions at the beginning, right? So you guys are good. No? I'm sorry. It'll get better, guys. I promise.
Coefficient?
Coefficient?
Okay, yeah.
Mm-hmm. All right. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to practice identifying like terms. So the first one says circle all the terms that can be combined with the number 4. So if I'm circling all the terms that can be combined with the number 4, which of the following, 1 through 12, can I combine with 4? The number 6?
Yes.
What else? Negative 5? Negative 11? Anything else? Okay, let's go to the next one. How about we're going to put a square around all the terms that match up or can be combined with 6a. What else can I combine with 6a? Negative 9a? 14a? And negative 7a. Good. All right, let's go with a triangle. We're going to draw a triangle around everything we can combine with the 3a squared. So the 9a squared and the 8a squared, anything else? That's it, okay? And then the last one. The last one, we're going to underline everything that can be combined with the term of 3b. 8b? Hold on, I'm the same color. 8b, 9b, and 3b. Which one was the only one we couldn't combine with anything? 13b squared, good. All right, so at the very bottom, this is the way I usually do the notes. I'll do an example, and then you're going to do the practice. Just make sure your math stay above the nose, under the chin. All right, so first example, a plus 16a. Can I combine those two? Yes. Now, some of us may struggle with this. There is a 1 here. So 1a plus 16a is? 17a. We only square it when we multiply. Okay? We only square it when we multiply. All right, let's go to b. Which ones are my like terms here? 3g and negative 7g. Okay, together, it gives me negative 4g. Now, some of us may struggle with this. This is a negative, this is a positive. Are they the same sign? No, so that means you subtract them. So 7 minus 3 is 4. Which one is the bigger number, the 7 or the 3? 7. So you carry the negative down. All right, and then nothing goes with 11, so that one just gets brought down. Your variables should always go first. Anything without the variable should always be written down second. Okay? All right, let's go to the next one. All right, which ones can I combine? 4a and positive 3h. So I'm going to write those down. 4h plus positive 3h. Now, I always do the ones with the variable first. That way, I don't have to think about rearranging my answers, okay? Now, the other two numbers, do they have variables? No. So negative 6 plus 6. I'm just going to write it down. Negative 6 plus 6. What is 4h plus 3h? 7h. Negative 6 plus 6 is? They cancel each other out. You don't have to put the 0. That's your final answer. If you want to box it in, you're more than welcome to. All right, I'll project all the answers here in a bit. All right, let's look at C. For letter C, which ones can I combine? A 4x and a negative 3x, so I'm going to put those together. Can I combine 12 and the minus 8?
Yes.
Or the negative 8?
Yes.
Okay. So plus 12 minus 8. 4 minus 3 is? 1x. And what's 12 minus 8?
4.
Positive or negative 4?
Positive.
Okay, we don't have to add that 1 in front. This is going to be x plus 4. All right, we're going to go over to D. And again, I always do the variable first. That way you don't have to think about reordering it. So which ones are my like terms here with variables?
Negative 13 and negative 4b.
Negative 13 and negative 4b. Negative 13b and negative 4b. Can I combine negative 6 and 11?
Yes.
Yes. So negative 6 plus 11. Negative 13 and negative 4. You see how they're the same sign? You're adding them. So what's 13 and 4? 17. Carry the sign with it. That's 17b. Negative 6 and 11 are different signs, so you subtract. And what do we get?
5.
Positive or negative 5?
Positive.
You always carry the sign of the bigger one. Okay? Okay, so here are the examples we did. And I'll leave those up for those that need it. On the back side, you have some practice problems. I'm going to give you some time to go over them. If you get done, you can do the ones at the very bottom. Okay? See, you guys knew the answers. Sometimes we make those mistakes. Sometimes we're just rushing through it. Those mistakes are made, guys. So just be careful. And again, if you notice, everyone I called on, they gave me the variables first, which is good, because then again, at the end, you don't have to think about rearranging. It's already in order, variables, and then any numbers without variables go at the end. So at the very bottom, I'm asking you to look for common mistakes here that are made. On the first one, they have 4a plus 5 minus 1 is 8a, not negative, 8a. Where is the mistake made? What was that? They didn't combine like terms. What are the two terms they're supposed to combine? 5 and negative 1. What's 5 minus 1?
4.
So it should be 4a plus 4. All right, if we look at number 2, what happened here?
They didn't carry over the signs.
They didn't carry over the signs. You got to carry that sign in front of it. So if I'm combining like terms, what do we want to combine here? All right, 7c and a negative 10c. What else can I combine? Negative 3 and positive 5. 7 minus 10c is? Negative 3c. And negative 3 plus 5 is? Positive 2.
I thought we were just supposed to change that.
No, it's okay. You do want to identify it because our test that we're going to take over this unit, there is a question that says, where does the error happen? So as soon as you catch the error, that's what you're going to select, okay?